Hello guys, so today I am here to show you how you can use Blackbox AI in your VS Code. So all you have to do to enable using Blackbox AI is to go down here to the extensions tab on your VS Code. Now I'm using the VS Code for web, but this works only on the VS Code for desktop, but I'm using this just to show you how it's done. So here you go onto extensions and you type in Blackbox. Now once you type in Blackbox, you will see that here you will have the Blackbox AI code generation. Now you would just install this extension. Now it's not available on the VS Code for web, but it is available on the VS Code for desktop, and it's gonna look something like this. So as you can see down here on the left side, you have the icon for Blackbox, and once you click on the icon, you will see these four options. So you have you have the three options. So you have enable autocomplete, you have Blackbox code search, and Blackbox AI code chat. So you can basically use any of these features as long as you click on them and use them. So it's a really easy, straightforward process, and it's gonna help you in your coding by a lot. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.